Hey guys, we are back with the tuck handstand, or the jump into the handstand and staying in that tuck position. So Theo's here, he's going to demonstrate for us. He's very advanced in his handstands. So he's a great demonstrator, but don't feel bad if you're not to his level. He's spent years mastering his craft. So we're going to come down to the ground. I'm going to demonstrate this first with Theo. The most common thing that happens when people go into the tuck handstand, and I'll have Theo demonstrate, is as they lean into it, they push too far forward over their hands, which this is a very difficult skill. This is going into a planche handstand, and often people bend at the elbows, fall on their face, and it leaves you with a very scary negative experience of handstands. So as a spotter, it's very important that they're supported from their shoulders so they don't go too far over their hands, and also supported from their hips so you can guide their hips to the correct position, which is hips in line with the shoulders and hands. So I'm going to have Theo demonstrate the tuck handstand first, just to show what position we're trying to get to. So just a tuck handstand. So you want your hips directly in line with your shoulders and your wrists. So now we're going to go into how to spot this. So as the spotter, I'm going to come in really close. Careful to not step on your partner's hands. I'm going to use my knees to drive into his shoulder and guide his shoulders and help support them so they don't go too far over. I'm going to grab his waist. Now, I'm not just holding his waist to guide it to the position. I'm actually taking weight off his hands so he doesn't put too much weight into his shoulders and collapse. So if you feel him collapsing through his hands, you can support his waist and push him back into a safe position. So setting up here, knees into his shoulder, and he's going to jump into his tuck. I'm taking weight off his hands, guiding my knee into his shoulder to make sure he's safe, letting him hover here for a second and come right back down. Good. Awesome, and that is the main points of the tuck handstand. You want to make sure the hips, again, important points, hips, shoulders, and wrists are in line. So I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe. We have more videos on how to partner handstand coming next.
Cool.
Awesome.